With this hair and makeup, I look like the actress that played Nancy Wheeler. I don't really look like myself. It's a little shocking. Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Jemma, if you didn't already know, and if you didn't know, hi, my name is Jemma, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be transforming myself into a Gothic Lolita. I am kind of nervous. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Jemma, and I'm a content creator that wears Lolita fashion. Lolita fashion, for those of you that don't know, is a fashion that originated in Harajuku, Japan around, I think, 1970s or 1980s. That is highly influenced by Rococo and Victorian clothing. Lolita fashion comes in a few sub-styles, and the sub-style that I usually wear is sweet Lolita fashion, which is what I am wearing right now. Very like happy and cute and bright vibes. But today I'm going to be transforming myself from a sweet Lolita to a Gothic Lolita, which is a style I have never tried before. Gothic Lolita is exactly as it sounds, darker colors, darker motifs. I'm a little nervous, but I'm very excited. Today I'm gonna be trying more of like a Gothic old school Lolita fashion. Old school Lolita refers to the style of Lolita that people were wearing, I wanna say like around the 90s and maybe like early 2000s, where it was less prints, but more of just like a solid color with a lot of lace and bows and really a beautiful dress construction. I'm going to be transforming myself into a Gothic Lolita today. If you are interested in that, then keep on watching. Today's video is so graciously sponsored by Devil Inspired. If you don't know already, Devil Inspired is a one-stop shop to all your Lolita fashion needs. Their online store hosts a bunch of different Lolita fashion brands, and they're all on one website, and they have a huge selection of super cute dresses, but not just dresses, like accessories, bags, shoes, socks, wigs, everything that you can think of for your Lolita fashion needs. They have. You can grab all of your Lolita fashion needs, create an entire coordinate or more, and they ship it directly to you. And since it is finally Halloween and spooky season, I have seen a lot of people coordinate really cute witch hats with their outfits. I thought I would get a witch hat of my own. Devil Inspired has a ton of adorable witch hats on their website, so don't forget to check it out. If you go on devilinspired.com and get yourself some cute things, don't forget to use code Jemma for 12% off your purchase. Now, since this is my first time wearing a Gothic Lolita, of course, I don't have any items that are Gothic Lolita. I usually wear sweet Lolita, so everything that I'm wearing is going to be brand new. My entire Gothic Lolita coordinate I got from Devil Inspired, so why don't we go ahead and see what I'm working with. I have quite a few things in here, so why don't we get on in there and see what kind of Gothic Lolita I'm gonna transform into today. Yes, I got myself a witch hat. Now, witch hats aren't like generally worn with Gothic Lolita. It's just kind of like a seasonal Halloween time, but I really wanted one because, like, why not? So that is the first thing in the bag is my cute, it's so big. It's so big. Oh, here's my little witch hat. It is this adorable velvet witch hat. It has like some lace right here. It's got a little sparkles. It's got some frills. It's got this sparkly gold star. It has these combs in the middle so you can kind of like tuck it into your hair or your wig so it stays on. And it also has oh yeah. And it also has these adorable little chin straps so you can like tie it underneath your chin. It's so cute, and this is gonna go up perfectly with the dress that I picked out. So it's like essential for the Halloween season, I think. Okay, what's the next thing? Oh, okay. Suspense, suspense. I also got myself a little blouse, or I think this is a sweater. So a sweater to go underneath my dress. Ooh, whoa. I did not expect this texture. Whoa, it's like velvet. That is so weird, but like so cool. So this is the sweater that I got to go underneath my JSK. It's kind of an off-white color and it has these ruffles. It's got a high neck and these ruffles on the neck. And it's got these like balloon sleeves just at the shoulders. And then it kind of comes in and has a little ruffle on the end of the sleeve as well. But yeah, the next thing I got are just these simple black and white lace old school socks. They're like super simple socks. They're just black with this white crochet lace at the top and a small little black ribbon. They are knee socks, so they just hit you right under your knees. These are just gonna be so perfect. I can already tell. Here's the dress. It is a JSK. What is this? Ooh, whoa. Textures. Oh, these are the waist ties. There's like little buttonholes right here. We got our waist ties. Awesome. And then what is it? Oh, cute. They're just a couple of little hair bows. Here is the dress. It is called the Runaway Bear Embroidery Heart-Shaped Neckline Letterprint Hemline Velvet Lolita JSK. Same. It is black velvet. It has these adorable crisscross like detail, which I love. It has these adorable ruffle flouncy sleeves that also has this white lace around in it. The bodice has this heart-shaped detail, and right here there is some embroidery which is of a bear. It also has this tier right here. It's floofy, flouncy. It has this lettering detail that says Woe's Bear on the hem. On the back, you do have partial shirring, and also this dress comes in 3 sizes. It comes in small, medium, and large, and I got the medium, and it also comes in red too. It's like a wine velvet color, very cute. And oh, it's got a zipper on the side too, so easy to get in and out of. Love that. This was only $62. This couldn't be, you know, more opposite from my current style, but I'm excited to like try this new style out. I'm nervous, but I'm excited, but I'm nervous, but I'm excited, but like I'm nervous. So wish me luck. Okay, well now we know what we're working with. It's time to put on our makeup. Let's go ahead and do our makeup transformation. Let's go. Okay, so to start off, I already have my base makeup done, which is basically just some like BB cream and concealer and powder. I think I'm gonna go straight in with the eyebrows. The reason why I'm starting with eyebrows is because I have a wig that I'm going to be wearing. So I have this wig that is like a super, super dark brown. This is what the wig looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush through my brows and sort of like brush them in place where they're supposed to be. This is my sort of normal brown eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna use that to just fill in like the few little areas. I'm just gonna straight up take like a black mascara. Now this one is almost out, so there's barely any pigment on the wand. I'm just gonna run it through, and then hopefully it kind of makes my hairs a little bit more dark. Okay, I feel like that totally did it. I'm digging it. For Gothic Lolita makeup or Lolita makeup in general, there is no hard and fast rules about Lolita makeup. Now I did some research and I saw that a lot of Gothic Lolitas use gray colors and black around the eyes. I also saw a lot of like red and purples like around and underneath the eye to kind of give a sort of cute but sickly appearance. So that is what I'm gonna go ahead and do today. Using a liquid eyeshadow underneath your powders creates a really good and sticky base, so I really love doing this trick. It's just gonna give us like something to work with. I'm gonna take whatever is left over and just go under my lower lash line. Hopefully something is transferring over there. Yeah. I'm actually gonna place my blush like immediately under my eyes. I'm doing this before the rest of the makeup because, well, I feel like it. The shadows are gonna kind of blend into this shadow that we're creating here. So I'm gonna take Cinnamon Bear. I'm just gonna take like a small sort of brush and like go immediately like under my eye. I feel like this makes my dark circles look worse, but I think that's kind of the point. We're thinking like cute and sickly, you know? That's the vibe. Now with Lolita looks, I don't see a lot of contouring. I think I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit around the jaw just to kind of define it a little bit more. If anything, maybe just like shade the outsides of your face. I'm gonna take a shade that is close to my skin tone and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this as sort of like a base eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and darken our crease even more with this Charmed I'm Sure color in this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm just gonna like deepen the crease and then also follow that halfway to the lower lash line. Let's see how this goes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that base shade again and just really like blend out these rough edges. So I'm gonna do a kind of like a reddish look. So I'm gonna go in with Red Hots from this Cinnamon Bear palette from Too Faced and just go, oh no. Well, I just dropped my palette, but that's fine. We're gonna try that again. I'm just gonna put this like all over the lid and blend it in with our crease color. I'm gonna put a little under my lower lash line as well. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend it into our under eye blush. Yep, so I just dropped this and this is just what it looks like now. Oops. I'm gonna go in with Mulberry. I'm just gonna go into this outer V. So now that I have all of my shadows down, I'm going back in with that sort of neutral shade and try my best to blend out the edges. All right, so I'm gonna take a highlight shade for my inner corner. I might choose one of these sort of like peachier, sparkly tones to kind of go with the red. I'm just gonna get like right up to my inner corner and then I'm gonna stop there. Here I have the Pat McGrath Labs Velvet Kohl eyeliner and I'm gonna try to like do it sort of like a smoky eyeliner look. I think I'm also gonna do like a little lash going down too. First off, for lashes, I'm just gonna curl mine. I'm just quickly putting on a really quick coat of mascara. While the mascara on my lashes is drying, I'm just gonna quickly highlight my face. I'm just using like a white highlight. And I have these really cute Care Bear lashes. They're just like kind of separated and kind of thick. It was so cute. So I cut off the very last clump of lashes. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of black liquid liner in the corner and I'm gonna just put a tiny bit more mascara on the lashes in the front. Let's do the other side. And then again with the mascara. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes with mascara as well. Final touch to the eyes, I'm just taking a white eyeliner and I'm gonna put it in my waterline. I look so different. It's like my scene days all over again. So for lips, I've seen dark purple lipstick. I've seen like a super dark red lipstick. I've also seen black lipstick. Either way, I'm going to plump my lips with some Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Plumper. And I kind of go a little outside my lip line as well. Now that my lips are thoroughly plumped, I'm gonna go in with this dark red liquid lipstick. This is the final makeup look with like dark eyebrows, super dark and intense lipstick and eyes. Yes, let us get ready for the wig. You just kinda hit it. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put the outfit on before I put on the wig. It seems like a good idea and I'll be right back. Okay, wig time. Oh my goodness. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think. It's so different from my usual style, but I actually really like it. I feel like this transformation was definitely a success. This looks so cool. Everything head to toe is just like super Gothic Lolita. I look like a completely different person, and that is exactly what we were going for. I had such a fun time doing this Gothic Lolita fashion transformation for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Would you wear Gothic Lolita fashion? Or are you already a Gothic Lolita? And if you are, what did I do wrong? Help me become better. Don't forget to check out devilinspired.com. They have tons of witch hats available, which is the perfect accessory for the fall and Halloween time. If you do grab one for yourself or anything else on devilinspired.com, don't forget to use my coupon code Jemma. That gets you 12% off of your entire purchase. But yeah, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!